the Transformers playlist. Oh well. Let's move on to our next Autobot. Let's move on to our next Transformer ally. Or better yet, since it's the holiday season, might as well transform and draw someone I haven't seen in a really long time. Alexa, holiday music, please.
Here's a station you might like. Holiday favorites on Amazon Music.
You know Dasher and Dancer and Prancer and Vixen, Comet and Cupid and Donner and Blitzen.
Look who's
The most famous reindeer.
got great news, guys. Look who's
Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer had a very shiny nose, and if you ever saw it, you would even say it glows. All of the other reindeer used to laugh and call him names. They never let poor Rudolph join in any reindeer games. Then one fall
Look who's joining Santa's Alliance tonight. That's right. That's right, boys.
Won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
That's right, boys. Squidward is joining Santa's side. Oh, yeah. I remember the first time Squidward brought joy from Christmas Eve, bringing in joyfulness to his hometown under the sea. And I will not forget the message Squidward, well, saw. And I'll never forget the message that Santa Claus left him. Dear Squidward, thanks for all your help. You've been a great boy this year. Warm regards, Santa Claus. He even received a special driftwood crafted clarinet.
Rudolph, with your nose so bright, won't you guide my sleigh tonight? Then how the reindeer loved him as they shouted out with glee. Rudolph the red-nosed reindeer, you'll go down in history.
There we are.
Last Christmas I gave
There he is, everyone. Shoot!
Once bitten and twice shy. I keep my distance, but you still catch my eye. Tell me, baby, do you recognize me? Well, it's been a year.
There we are. There he is. That's how you draw Santa Claus Squidward. Thanks to him, he assisted SpongeBob and brought joy and happiness to Bikini Bottom. That's all for now. And Merry Christmas!